Hello friends, welcome to my Olympiad math. We are asked to solve this USA Olympiad math. 4 raised to power x plus 6 raised to power x equals to 9 raised to power x. So what we're going to do is we're going to have, since we have 4 raised to power x plus 6 raised to power x equals to 9 raised to power x. What we are going to do now is we can divide both sides by 4 raised to power x. So we're going to have here 4 raised to power x, 4 raised to power x, 4 raised to power x. So if we do that, what are we going to have here? We're going to have here 1 plus 6 divided by 4 raised to power x equals to 9 divided by 4 raised to power x. So if that be the case, this reduced to 1 plus here can be reduced to 3 over 2 raised to power x. Then this other one, we can write it as 3 divided by 2 or square. This is now raised to power of x. So if that be the case, we are going to have 1 plus that. We can say 1 plus that. We can say since we have that, we can write it as 1 plus 3 over 2 raised to power x equals to 3 over 2 raised to power x here, then raised to power 2. That is what we have. So if we have that, if we have this, we can say let u equals to 3 over 2 raised to power x. So this implies that if u is equals to 3 over 2 raised to power x, it means that, what does it mean? It means that, look at what we're going to have here. It means if we substitute it, we are going to have 1 plus u equals to u squared. If we collect like term now, what are we going to have if we collect like term? We're going to have, if we collect like term, we're going to have u squared minus u minus 1 equals to 0. So if that be the case now, this has formed a quadratic equation. If we compare it with we compare this with ax squared plus bx plus c, what are we going to have? If we compare it now, we're going to have a already is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus 1. So u now becomes, we use the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if that be the case now, u becomes, what would the value of u now be? The value of u now becomes, minus, open bracket, minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times minus 1 times 1. That's what we have, divided by 2 times 1. That is 2 times a, which is 1. So everything will now give us u, if it becomes 1 plus or minus, if you simplify everything here, we are going to have 5 divided by 2. So that is what u is. But already, since we already said that 3 over 2 raised to power x, let 3 over 2 raised to power x equals to u, we can also have now, since the thing is equals to u and u is that value which we got, so what are we going to have now? Since and also is equals to u and u is greater than 0, it means we are going to accept the positive value for u. It therefore means that we are going to take the logarithm of both sides. If we take the logarithm of both sides, okay, and what we have here, u is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, which is now implies 3 over what? Which is now implies 3 over 2 raised to power x. So if we take the logarithm of both sides now, we are going to have the log of the golden ratio over 2 equals to the log of 3 over 2 raised to power x. So what does it mean? X log 3 over 2 equals to the log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So what does it mean now? X finally become the log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 divided by the log of 3 over 2. So that is what we have. Thank you for watching, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can use your calculator and check this and this, and your final answer might give you something like x equals to 2.1. Bye bye.